In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the URL signature expired issue in Messenger. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. Now, go to the app list and find Messenger. Tap on it to open the app settings. Next, go to Storage or Storage Usage. Here, tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Once that's done, go back and tap on Force Stop to completely close the app. Now, scroll down and find the Open by Default option. Tap on it, then select Open Supported Links. Make sure it is set to Allow App to Open Supported Links. Now, open Messenger again and check if the issue is fixed. And that's it. That's how you can fix the URL signature expired problem in Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.